Alright, so today we're going to be doing a side lunge stretch. Now this stretch is going to help stretch out our calves, our hamstrings, inner thigh, a lot of the areas that often need a little more attention. So to start this stretch, we're going to go out into a side lunge position. So step out to the side, foot's going to go out at about a 45-degree angle pointing outwards. And then we're going to drop into that lunge here. We're going to take the stretched leg over here, prop it up onto our heel, and then point the heel straight out. As we point out here, we're going to try our best to rotate our heel, our foot, outwards as far as we can. As we do that, we're going to feel a stretch along the hamstrings, along the calves, and we're going to hold that position. While we're holding in this position, our other arm is going to be right up against this thigh right here, trying to push it outwards just a little bit here. And as we push it outwards, we should feel more of a stretch along our inner thigh. We'll hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. While we're doing this, make sure you breathe in, breathe out. As you exhale, let's try to push out just a little further each time. We'll bring it back up and we'll switch sides. So we'll step out again, 45 degrees angles, rotate this foot outwards, and then press out. Breathe in, and as we exhale, rotate out a little further, push out a little further, and again, another 30 to 60 seconds there. Now, while we're stretching, we want to make sure that we don't stretch too hard. If you're feeling pain and discomfort, you're probably pushing a little too far. A little stretch is fine, and we're always shooting to get a little more range of motion. However, we also have to do so in a safe manner. So that's how you do the side lunge stretch. If you need a little help with balance or stability while we do this, it's often helpful to grab onto a wall, a pole, or a bench. Something just helps support your weight.